My name's Phil. I'm in Professor Belasco's class in the MBA program. You talk a lot about getting players who can maximize their potential. Do you ever worry that you've done amazing in recruiting over the years, that you've gotten almost too many players, that you don't have the opportunities to be able to provide for them? There aren't enough carries, or Matt Castle doesn't get a start in 4 years and winds up playing great in the NFL?
The question is to a point where you would lack chemistry, where you would lack a
well, just that a player might not be able to maximize their potential just because there's not enough opportunity. Like you said, you almost benched Carson Palmer for Matt Leinart in the first year, one Heisman Trophy winner for another. I mean, does that ever worry you that maybe some players don't have the opportunity because there's just too many great players here?
No, it really doesn't worry me. There are cases when it hasn't happened for a guy, where he didn't get his shot, when maybe in another program he would have. That does happen some, but for the most part, our standards are a little bit different. To make every running back, be a 1,500-yard rusher, that's not going to happen here right now the way things are. But to make an extraordinary run game that allows you to be champions and guys get their chance to show themselves, to have 3 runners that rushed for 700 yards last year, that's a pretty cool accomplishment in itself. And but you're constantly nurturing the culture and the mentality. And we hopefully avoid the guys that are going to be the problems, or they weed themselves out and they don't fit. And it has come to a point where guys, there have been a few guys that left the program and they can't find their niche. They can't feel it, and so it's best for them to move on, And a lot of players don't come here because they don't have the mentality to compete at this level, and they want to ensure themselves success by going to a place that has less talent. And those are the guys we hope to go to other places.